So the Year 9 Career Taste programme has been really beneficial for our students this year. Word has got round across the whole Year 9 cohort the benefit of these experiences. It's really started those career conversations and ignited that curiosity and the career conversations that we want going forward.
I decided to come today because I thought it would be a good opportunity to see what it would be like to have a future career in music. And I just wanted to see what it would be like to walk around a TAFE. We got shown to all the music spots, where they do the broadcasting, where they do the producing, where they play the music.
So at our Leadable campus, we've had students coming in to do our Song Factory Career Taster. So we've got music studios here at our Leadable campus that they can come in and they spend the morning writing a song and they record that in the afternoon with the assistance of one of our music lecturers.
Wide range of experiences from sport to music, creative industries, and the feedback has been absolutely fantastic. Some great lecturers who have also talked to the students about their journey as well and the steps that they took in terms of getting to the position in their career that they are at now as well. So yeah, can't fault it.
So we offer a lot of different career activities across a range of industries. So we're trying to capture interests of all different types of students. So hopefully they'll come along and get to sample what it would be like to work a day in the life of a particular job role and either come away thinking, yep, this is the job for me, or no, couldn't do it, and then thinking of where they're going to go from there.